Bobotie. Beef pie. A main dish from South Africa. Serves 4. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Add the onions and sauté for 5 minutes, then add the apple dice and cook for another minute. Add the chopped beef and combine. Step 2. Squeeze out the excess milk from the bread slices, then tear up and add to pot. Add the curry powder, raisins, almonds, lemon juice, egg and turmeric and stir well. Step 3. Place mixture in a greased 9 by 13 baking dish. Place bay leaves vertically in the casserole. Step 4. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes, then remove from the oven. Mix together the egg and milk, then pour it over the bobotie. Bake for 15 more minutes. Country
Remove bay
reports,
leaves before
culture,
serving.
countries, travel.